Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wondered if buying branded clothes online is really worth it? Today we are going to find out together. I just received two Zellbury suits online and I haven't opened the package yet. This is a real first look with no edits and no fake reactions. In this unboxing, we will check everything that matters: the fabric quality, stitching, color, fitting, and whether the product looks the same as it did in the online pictures. We will also see if the price matches the quality and if it's actually a good deal. If you are planning to buy clothes online, especially from its site, Zellbury, this video could help you avoid wasting money and make a smarter choice. So, did I get premium quality or a disappointing surprise? Stay until the end because I will share my honest review and tell you whether I think these Zellbury suits are worth buying. Now, let's open the package and see what's inside. This elegant ensemble features a beautifully embroidered kurta paired with a matching dupatta and trouser crafted from premium cross-love fabric. Designed for women who appreciate sophisticated style and comfort, the soft pink shade adds a subtle yet striking touch. Perfect for bread wear, this set offers a refined look that balances traditional craftsmanship with contemporary fashion. Now let's open the second package and see what's inside. Elevate your wardrobe with this expertly crafted embroidered kurta dupatta trouser set in verdant green, tailored from premium lawn fabric. This print collection piece combines traditional artistry with contemporary comfort. The intricate embroidery detailing adorns the kurta and dupatta, creating a refined silhouette perfect for casual gatherings and festive occasions. Designed for the modern woman who appreciates quality, craftsmanship, and timeless elegance. This three piece ensemble offers versatility and sophistication in every wear. And here they are after hanging them properly. The clothes look much better now, and you can really see the design, color, and overall finish. My first impression is that these Zellbury suits have a clean and stylish look. The fabric feels comfortable, the stitching looks neat, and the colors are very close to what I expected from the online pictures. Of course, I will know even more after wearing and washing them, but so far I'm happy with this purchase. If you are thinking about shopping for casual or everyday wear, Zellbury has a wide range of designs for different styles and budgets. Shopping online also saves time because you can explore different collections, compare prices, and order from home without visiting multiple stores. No matter where you shop online, always check the size chart, read customer reviews, and compare product details before placing your order. These simple steps can help you choose the right product and avoid unnecessary returns. I hope this unboxing and first review helped you decide whether these suits are worth considering. If you would like a full fitting review, fabric test, or wash test, let me know in the comments and I will make another video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest unboxings, fashion reviews, and online shopping tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.